Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to talk about the automated rules. Automated rules is going to be a feature which you get on the Google Ads platform, with the help of which we can build out certain rules on the platform, which we can apply automatically at the backend. So here, what we do is we take certain actions on the account based on certain conditions which are met. So those are called rules. So just to give you an example, we can build out different types of rules on this platform for various reasons. Like for example, I can build a campaign budget specific rule wherein I want to keep a check on the campaign's budget spend. And let's say I don't want my campaigns to spend beyond a certain amount. So in such a case, I can build out a rule which will check for this. And the moment we reach that amount, it can go ahead and take an action of pausing that campaign. So this way, you're able to optimize your campaigns really well, guys. Various types of rules can be created on the Google Ads platform. Let's have a look at this, how you can build them out. So once we are inside our platform, we can go to the tools section where we can go to bulk actions, where we can go to rules. So from here, we can build out these automated rules. There are various kinds of rules, as you can see out here, which we can create. So let's begin with the campaign rule like we were discussing. So let's say this is a budget rule which we want to set. And the objective is that we want to pause certain campaigns the moment it reaches, let's say, spend of 5,000 rupees. So now to set up the particular rule, there are different actions. So you can decide whether you want to do it on a particular campaign or you want to do it on all the campaigns. So that option is also out here. And now here you put the condition. So the condition which we are keeping for this rule is that the spend should not go beyond 5,000. So we can look for spend, which is cost. And we can say that the moment the cost equals 5,000, that is when we will take the action. And the action is that we want to pause that campaign. So you can choose the actions from here, and we are choosing pause the campaign, and we can create this specific rule. So this rule will now check on a regular basis our account, okay? And whenever this condition is met, the action will be automatically taken. Similarly, we can build out other rules as well. Let's say we are doing a keyword specific rule. Let's take a situation wherein I want to incentivize or I want to increase the bids of high performing keywords. The keywords which are performing for us, getting us those conversions, I would like to increase their bids because that will make us trigger our ads more from those keywords, and chances are there we can get more sales out of it. So I want to create a rule around that. So let's say this is a keyword rule and we are saying a good keyword. So you follow the same process, we can apply it to all the keywords. The condition is, so now we have to look at what do we mean by a good keyword. A good keyword will have good metrics. So let's say the CTR of that keyword specifically is high. Okay, so let's say the CTR is more than 2%. Also, we are saying, let's say the clicks coming from those keywords are more than 50. So if there is a keyword whose CTR is more than 2% and the clicks are more than 50, for such a keyword, I want to take the action. The action is I want to increase the bids for such keywords. So we'll take the action. So what we want to do is we want to change the keyword bids. So now there are various options which you get, which is you want to set a new bid, you want to increase the bids by a certain percentage, all that option you will get. So let's say you want to increase the bids by a certain percentage or an amount. Let's say we would like to increase the bids by 10%. However, this cannot be an unending process, right? We would like to increase the bid, but up to a certain limit. So you can set the upper limit also out here in this manner. Once you create the rule, then you can see the frequency as well. So the rule will check this on a daily basis on the account. and whichever keywords meets these criteria, the action will be taken on those keywords accordingly. So this becomes one rule which we have created for our good keywords. Similarly, now you can create another rule for the bad keywords, keywords which are not performing for us. We would like to decrease their bits and save the money over there. So in the same manner, you can build out another rule for that. You can apply it to all the keywords. Now, bad keywords means their metrics are bad. So let's say the CTR for that keyword is less than 1%. And we are saying that the clicks also for that keyword is less than 10. So in such a case, if there is a keyword whose CTR is less than 1 and the number of clicks are less than 10, that's a bad keyword for us. And we would not like to bid more money on it. Rather, we would like to decrease their bids and change their bids basically. So we can again do a decrease bids by percentage. Let's say we want to decrease them by 5%. And here also, we don't want to make the bid 0. We want to decrease their bids. So here now you can put a lower limit in this manner. And now this rule will check on a daily basis for keywords which are meeting these criteria and will apply that action on them. So in this manner, guys, various types of rules can be created across ads, keywords. Okay, you can do it across audience targetings as well, gender rules. So these are various types of rules available out here, which you can build out at the backend, and they will be running at the backend automatically, making those changes whenever those criterias are met. So this works like an automated optimizations which are happening at the backend even while we are sleeping, and we are not keeping a watch on our accounts. I hope this makes sense. And now you understand how we can make use of the automated rules. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session. And I will see you in the next video.